Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will unbox this Ambrane True Wireless earphones. So this is the new one. Let's unwrap this and I will giving you the honest review and unboxing of this. So here it is, the True Wireless earphones is there, having different qualities. So it gives 45 hours of total playback time, up to 32 dB ANC. So it's having the noise cancellation, having transparent mode and transparent voice, having this quad mic. So let's open it. So at this side here it is immersed into pure sound. You can see having multifunctional touch sensor for easy control, and playtime on single charge is 10 hours. Playtime on charging cases 35 hours if you use at 50% volume. So let's open this. So here it is, join the Ambrane LE, Ambrane India. Let's open it. So here it is, the had a treat, review us online. Let's remove it. Here we got the earbud. So let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. So this box has something. Let's open it. So when you just open it, here you will get some ear tips. So this is the small and large ear tips, and the medium one is in the earbud. And here it is another thing, that is the wire. So it's having the USB to USB type C charging cable also, so you can charge with it, and it is a long wire also. Let's keep it box in this box and open this. So friends, let's unwrap this. Here it is, the Ambrane earbuds True Wireless, white in color. So you can see it is very lightweight and the quality is very good. And you can see here it is the Ambrane branding. At the bottom you will see type C charging port and one reset button. If you have connected to another device, you can just simply reset it and connect to the another one. So you can see the symbol, it looks cool. When you just open it, it will just on the light here, so you can see. So I will show you again. So it looks like this. So let's remove it, earbuds. So friends, you can see it is having the medium tips, and it is quite lightweight also. I can wear it also. So friends, in my ear it feels very comfortable and lightweight also. Its design is comfortable to my ears. Let's first connect to our smartphone also and see what's the quality it provides. So first let's open the Bluetooth. Long press it, click on more Bluetooth settings, and you have to tap on OK. It is connected successfully. So it's having the fastest Bluetooth and having 100% volume this battery, and having high quality audio AAC in use. So let's see its feature through the box also. So friends, it provides 5.4 volt of Bluetooth version, Siri and Google Assistant enabled, 13 of audio drivers, that is good, and multi-device compatibility. So if you can connect it to 2-3 mobile phones at a time and use it as yours. So let's open the YouTube and play the song. So friends, it's having the up to 32 dB NC. So I cannot say if you are hearing any sound or not. So I will put the volume on the highest volume. Let's see if you are listening or not. So you can see I can put my in my ear. So friends, I don't know if you are hearing, but the sound is very clear. The bass and the overall thing is very good. and sound is not coming from outside because of the transparency mode. Here it is ANC with transparency mode. So if you are on the call, if you are listening to the song, the next right person will never hear what you are you listening. So it is very comfortable, and having the quad mic is also very good. Here it is, you can see this, it is super lightweight also. So if you are going to buy this, you can definitely buy. I have given the link in the description on all its specification. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.